Today we are going to try a Japanese Sumo Citrus fruit. It's supposed to be like an orange, but we've never tasted one before. So they said it's easy peel, kind of like a cutie. Stab it, yeah. Give it a little start and then you should be able to peel it with your fingers.
Oh my gosh, the skin's thick. It's very thick. Oh my god.
It looks thick, but it's really soft. And the produce guy said it's supposed to be really soft.
This is fun. I like destroying it.
What?
It's so hard to peel.
It shouldn't
so
be.
Thick.
Ooh, it smells great.
It's so thick. Look at that.
Yep, that's pretty thick.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, it smells so good. Smells like an orange.
Smells great, but
so they said they grow in Japan.
I love Japan.
I think from January through April, and they're growing them in California now. And something special about who grows them or something we're gonna have to look up. All right, take it apart just like a regular orange. It's seedless. All right, give me a piece. Looks like an orange. Tastes like an orange. It is nice and juicy.
This thing was expensive.
It was $2 for one of these. But we like to try a new fruit every once in a while. Sedona.
What?
I saw that. Chew that up good. You don't want to choke on the skin. I have video evidence of it. All right. So that was the Japanese Sumo Citrus fruit. Oh my God.